Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you once again for tuning in, guys. Today is the first time we've ever done this on the channel, and it is featuring another Lexus IS. I've been wanting to do this for the longest time, and I thought, why not do it now? So I have Alex here with me. What up, man?
What's up, bro? How you doing?
Thank you for coming out. Look at his car. This is such an amazing wide body. I reached out to Alex. I wanted to feature him on the channel because I do want to wide body my car, but I wanted to find someone and see it in person and hear the pros and cons about wide body. I'm gonna park my car next to his so we can get a quick thumbnail and just talk more about his wide body. Tell us about the car. What's your model list right now?
Well, right now, for performance-wise, got the NVIDIA mid-pipes, X-pipe for a little bit more of the high-end torque. Because the 350s, I kind of lack it, man. I just want to be faster, really. Hopefully one day supercharge it. But Orla catbacks, then I have R Racing tune, I have the R Racing intake. That's it for now.
And it's still not fast enough?
No, hell no. There's no way. Plans on supercharging after the mold.
Are you excited to mold it?
Definitely, bro. Definitely. Hopefully it'll get rid of all these problems.
Guys, leave a comment down below if you think he should keep it with the rivets or if he should mold it. I kind of like both. I mean, yeah, it's cool that you got to rock this for a bit and then now you're gonna move on to another chapter. So everyone wants to know, what are the worst things about wide body and what are the best things? Well,
going into it was a lot more expensive than I thought it was gonna be, because on top of purchasing a wide body, it's the install, a couple grand, honestly. And then you need a whole new tire setup, and honestly, I thought I was gonna be able to get away with spacers, but this wide body being so huge was not gonna work unless I had like 4 or 5 inch spacers, which that's way too dangerous.
Oh shit.
So right now we're running 11s all around for the tire width, and then on the front, it's like a 1 inch spacer. I might go to 1.5 soon. And then in the back, we got 2 inch, might go 2.5, but either way it goes, it's still dangerous, you know what I mean?
Would you ever get new wheels?
No. Honestly, well, I just got these ones, so I like them for now, but we'll see what happens, bro.
How's driving the wide body?
At first, it takes some time to get used to, because with the big tires in the front, it's like another 3 inches on top of what it's used to, and it takes a long time to stop too, so you got to be really cautious when you drive. Yeah, because the tires are heavier, bro, because they have to be wider, you know what I mean?
Can you do a full U-turn?
Without messing up the wide body, no. Gotta make a 3-point turn into like a 5-point turn. Just grind up all the fenders.
How's it getting into driveways?
Driveways, not too bad, bro. Air up all the way and hope for the best. But even with the bags, I still get stuck. It happened a couple weeks ago, actually. Got stuck in a Starbucks parking lot.
Dude, that shit happens to me all the time. It's like, what's the point of getting bags if you're still gonna get stuck?
Yeah, I had a couple buddies jumping on the back of the car trying to get it free, and then finally broke free, so it all worked out, man.
There was one thing I saw, it was on your Instagram story. You couldn't take off the tire without removing the wide body?
Yeah, so if you come over here, you'll see the fitment of the body kit really isn't the best. Over here, probably could have been pushed back like an inch or two forward. So to take off the tire, bro, you have to take off this whole panel. So it's not bad though. It's just these rivets and then the one down there. But in order to take that panel off, I have to take off the side skirt as well. So it's like a 5-step process to take the tire off now.
I don't know if you guys can see, but this is all one piece right here. This is its own separate piece, but he had to take off this whole thing just to take that off. I feel like that's not that fun.
It's not at all. That was literally just to mess with the bumper, because it has that one screw right here, the bolt.
Yeah.
You know what I'm talking about? So it has that bolt, and then I couldn't even access it because of the body kit, so the whole thing had to come off because the tire's way too wide.
Is there anything else that you want to add to cons of having a wide body? Anything else you can think of that's really shitty?
It's worth it. It's worth it. 100% worth it.
So what are the best things about going wide body?
Just the attention, bro, really. Because at first, being, stock body, going to car meets and stuff, I was like, okay, like, yeah, my car is nice, it still kind of stands out, but there's always room for improvement. It was like bags or wide body, and everyone was like, wide body, wide body, wide body. And I was like, like, there's so much money. But I was like, all right, fine. And then once I ended up wide bodying it, everyone was like, yeah, because I was running on the coils for a while, and it did come out nice, but after a while, it was just static life wasn't working. Didn't want to take off all the wide body kits by scraping, so I had to bag it, man.
That's crazy. So everyone knows that you went wide body. It's super expensive. It's really scary to cut in your fenders. There's one question that I want to ask you. Is the car paid off?
Oh yeah, the car's been paid off for probably about 5 months now.
Dude, you barely just went wide body.
Exactly.
So as soon as you paid it off, you just cut into it.
I just wanted more. Had all that extra money from not paying a car payment. I was like, you know what, put in mods, and that's what happened.
All right, so do you guys think I should wide body while I'm still paying it off? Or should I do what Alex did, pay it off, wait like 1 month, and then just cut into it? Bro, what if I wide bodied it, and then somehow I just couldn't make car payments anymore, and they take my whole car? All that work.
Would you have to pay for new fenders? How would that work?
Oh, I don't even know.
Yeah.
Never mind.
I don't know.
Is it hard to stay in your lane since you're so wide now? Like on the freeway, on the street?
It's basically like driving a big truck. Just gotta get used to it. Yeah, man.
What about drive-thrus?
Drive-thrus, a little scary. Air up all the way. Hopefully I don't scrape the curbs. And other than that, I mean, it's not too bad. At first I thought it was gonna be a lot worse because everyone was like, oh, good luck, drive-thrus won't be the same. It's not too bad. Okay. It's not too bad.
So do you think I should go wide body?
It's up to you. It's either be fast or go wide. If you really want a project car, you gotta go all the way.
All right, guys, so we got all the info we needed out of Alex, and it still makes me want to go wide body, even though you're telling me like, this car isn't meant to be wide. Whatever, full send. There's a drive-thru over here, and we're gonna see if his car can really fit. I think it's too narrow, but he's so used to driving the car wide that he says it could fit.
Pray for the best.
Let's also see you get out of this driveway too. Alright. Guys, seeing his car in person is like the coolest thing. It makes me want to wide body so bad, even though I know there's a lot of pros and cons, but you only got one life. Sometimes you just gotta live it. Homeboy's living it. Ooh. Wide body versus drive-through. Round 1. Holy shit, this is way more narrow than I thought.
Pretty good.
What are you talking about? You fit perfectly fine.
I mean, it was pretty close, wasn't it?
Yeah. Hell yeah, man, that was awesome.
I was a little nervous going in, honestly.
All right, guys, so we're gonna get quick rollers of Alex's car right now, and it's gonna look so sick. I love his car so much. Hold up guys. Before we continue the video, I just wanted to let you guys know that this video is sponsored by AUTO-VOX. That's right, AUTO-VOX, the brand that has been in my videos many times before. It's a little difficult to see, but they sent me a dash cam. They sent me their new AD2 dash cam, which is also a Wi-Fi dash cam. What does that mean? I'll tell you guys. You connect to it through your phone. There's an app you download called Roadcam. You connect to it and you can watch all of your recorded content with this dash cam. You can set it to where it records at all times, which is what a dash cam should be doing anyways. This dash cam is awesome. It has the backup camera, has the front camera. I'm gonna show you guys right now where I have it mounted. I didn't tuck it in, but it's tucked in pretty good in my opinion. It is right there. Super sleek, very small. And here's the best part about the dash cam. While it has all the recording capabilities and the cool Wi-Fi, all of that good stuff, it is also a touchscreen, but that's not the best part. The best part that sets it aside from other dash cams, in my opinion, is that you can detach it. So check this out. I'm gonna go ahead, detach it, and now I have a little vlog camera. Do you guys see this? This is how good the camera quality is. I basically have a vlog camera. Yo, what is going on, guys? Welcome back to the channel. Thank you once again for tuning in. Just kidding, guys, but seriously, this is pretty cool. When you connect the backup camera, you have another little screen with the backup camera right there. That's so sick. So if you and your car friends have been in the market for a dash cam and you couldn't decide on what brand to pick, try out AUTO-VOX. It's one of the best ones that you can get for the price. Link will be in the description below. Please check them out. And if you guys still feel like it's way too expensive, use my code. It'll be down in the description below. Why spend hundreds of dollars on a vlog camera when you can just buy the AUTO-VOX Wi-Fi dash cam? Alright guys, I hope you enjoyed the content of Alex's Widebody. Now we're here skateboarding, Santa Monica Courthouse. It's so much cooler here than the valley. Here with the homies. Yeah.
Dick.
Oh my god.
What did you say?
Thank you guys so much for watching. I hope you enjoyed that video and some of the skating that went along with it. Babe, do you think I should go wide body?
I'm scared.
She's always telling me that if you're still dailying the car, you shouldn't wide body it because it's gonna make it harder to drive. If I get a project car that is a daily, she approves of the wide body, but we'll see.
Yeah, we'll see.
Subject to change. My mind's always working. I want one thing and I want it right away. If I don't get it right away, then I move on to the next thing, so we'll see. I hope you enjoyed this video. If you did, don't forget to give it a like, comment, and subscribe. If you're new to the channel and you enjoy this and you want to see more content, hit that subscribe button. Oh, and guys, we also restocked on the windshield decals. I know a lot of you guys missed out and we felt so bad. We never restock anything, but me and Arnold decided to restock the windshield banner. It's gonna be on the website, so go ahead and purchase this if you're really interested. It is black confetti. It looks so amazing in the sun. Anyways, I'll catch you guys in the next video. And don't forget, it's always better to look good
Then to feel good.
Oh! Later.